In front of me is INFINIX Note 60 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can resize icons. First, go into Settings. Then scroll to tap on Wallpaper and Personalization. And after that, scroll to tap on Icon. Finally, after entering those sections of your settings, scroll and use this slider under icon size to adjust it. You can check out Preview at the top. Once you finish, hit Apply. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my icons has changed. If you wanna do it even faster, quick tip. Hold your display and wait for those options to appear at the bottom. When they do, click on Icon Style at the bottom between Widgets and Settings. Scroll, operate the same slider, and hit Apply. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!